Hi guys, and welcome back to the VPN Rants YouTube channel. Now, have you ever wondered, can I use a VPN to block ads on Twitch and YouTube? Well, if you're wondering this, you're not alone. Many people are trying to figure out whether a VPN can help block ads on these platforms. Well, this is exactly what we'll be answering in today's video. So let's get started. So, can you really use a VPN to remove ads from YouTube and Twitch? Well, the short answer is yes. Here's the deal. By connecting to countries that serve a smaller number of ads, like Albania for example, you might actually notice a significant drop in the number of ads you see while on these platforms. Who would have thought? Albania isn't just a beautiful country anymore. It's one of the countries that offer the best online streaming experiences out there. Here's why this can work. Advertisers often target specific regions for their ads. In countries where advertisements aren't as widespread, YouTube and Twitch might offer up significantly smaller number of ads. So for people who are trying to avoid such ads, connecting your VPN to such countries will allow you to have a more smoother streaming experience. But before we get excited, there is a small catch. This particular method is only effective on desktop browsers. When it comes to mobile apps and stuff like Apple TV, you're still going to encounter all the ads you're trying to avoid. Also, some of these platforms are designed to avoid VPNs or block them, and other apps have designed themselves in such a manner that despite the VPN, you will encounter ads. Technology really loves to keep us on our toes, doesn't it? Well, another tip is to try using ad blockers like uBlock Origin, but these types of ad blockers only work on desktop browsers and they may not be as effective on mobile apps or smart TVs. So where does that leave us? Using a VPN to reduce ads on Twitch and YouTube can work in certain situations, especially if you're using a desktop or if you're using VPN to connect to specific countries like Albania. However, it's not a one-size-fits-all solution because it does not work on mobile devices and smart TVs. At the end of the day, VPNs offer great benefits like enhanced privacy and access to geo-restricted content. While they may help reduce ads in some cases, for the best case scenario, we recommend using VPNs alongside specific ad blockers. So we're back to our big question. Can you use a VPN to block ads on Twitch and YouTube? Well, the answer is sometimes. It's a handy trick that can work under the right circumstances. And if you've used our recommendations or if you're in the process of using something else, we'd like to hear from you in the comments below. Also, if you enjoyed our video or just found it a little bit informative, don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more similar insights. With that said, stay safe out there and have a ad-free experience. We'll see you in the next video.